Today I'm going to talk to you about Trex composite decking, different lines available in the UK and the difference between those lines, and hopefully help you make the right decision on when you invest in your composite deck. So we're going to start off with Trex Enhance Basics, which is a budget board, and the colour I got is clamshell. It's a very popular colour because it's grey. Grey has been all the rage ever since this came out. It's ironic, I was in Phoenix, Arizona when this was released, and everyone was having these aluminium bifold doors put in, and this just matches perfectly. So regardless of their budget, they were going for a budget board, and I believe it's still one of the best sellers in the Enhance range. Next we move up to Enhance Naturals. This colour is called Foggy Wharf, and it's a kind of bluey grey. Everything is exactly the same as Enhance Basics, the makeup of the board, the shell, everything. And the difference in the shell is it's a sort of matte finish. So on the dark colours, footprints, just dusty footprints, show up quite easily. It marks quite easily too, but so does every other board except Transcend. For the money, this is the best composite deck board you can buy, and there's a variety of colours in this range. So I'm going to show you an Enhance Naturals and clamshell back to back, so you can see the difference in the quality of the board. So maybe you can't because of this my video camera, but that's Enhanced Naturals, and that's called Calm Water. It's a darker, richy colour with fleck in it. That's Calm Water's clamshell, sorry, Basics, and that's a plain board. That's a plain board, but for the money, you won't get anything better. So that's the Enhanced range, and like I said, those boards were released in 2018, December 2018 in Phoenix, Arizona. I was there, and they were released to compete with wood, cheap composite, PVC, and that's exactly what it does. I fitted, maybe 5 enhanced decks in the 4 years it's been released. Okay, so I'm a Transcend man. Okay, so this is Trex Transcend, and this is spiced rum. So straight away you can see a difference in the shell. Beautiful, solid board. So all these intricate designs, all these curves I put through decks, this is what I use. If you wanted that done in Enhance, you couldn't. I've tried curving the boards, and I've noticed, because they're hollow and grooved over a period of time, you start getting cracks in the boards. So I'm not going to do that. Now people phoning me up saying my board's cracking. So that's why I only fit Transcend. And at this moment in time, until Trex release something else, this is the world's #1 composite decking board. You're not going to buy anything better than Trex Transcend. So, which board is right for you? If you've got a lot of young children and pets, I would say Transcend. If there's not much footfall on your deck and you want something cheap, get the job done, then go for Basics or Naturals. They're both a budget board, like I said. There's no difference in the makeup of the board. It's really just down to the colours. Okay, I hope that helps you make some choices on buying your Trex composite deck. Thank you for watching.